Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Joe Walsh, and we are going to react to the song Life of Illusion. You,
Illusion.
it was frightening, startling.
You just imagined it. I didn't do anything.
I wasn't ready for it.
Life of illusion.
Life of Illusion.
Sometimes I can't help the feeling that I'm living a life of illusion. And oh, why can't we let it be and see through the hole in this wall of confusion? I just can't help the feeling I'm living a life of illusion. Right between the eyes. Oh, how nature loves her little surprises. Wow, it all seems so logical now. It's just one of her better disguises. And they come without warning. Nature loves her little surprises. Continual crisis. Hey, don't you know it's a waste of your day? Caught up in endless solutions that have no meaning, just another hunch based upon jumping conclusions. Caught up in endless solutions. Back up against a wall of confusion. Living a life of illusion.
Ah,
Ball of confusion, living the life of illusion. I like the music on this one. I don't know what about it. The bass guitar sound that was completely the bass of the song that played all along the song. I hope that was bass guitar. The heavy sound of the guitar that was playing throughout the song. That made it very different, made it nice. His voice was very natural, very nice to listen to, and it gave me a lot of scope, a lot of space to just enjoy the music, not think about anything else, but just reflect. It was a reflective music. There was not much in the lyrics, but I don't think I was missing anything either. That kind of a musical arrangement. So it was beautiful just to soak yourself into the music. Immerse yourself in it.
for me, of course, what stood out and what made it completely unique for most rock songs we listen to is the mariachi feel to it. You know, without the mariachi music in the playing alongside the guitar and the drums and the vocals, it wouldn't sound so good. It wouldn't sound as unique as it did. Because lyrically it was repeating the same thing. It had limited lines, maybe 8 to 12 lines maximum.
Yeah.
Unique lines, that is, and then they were repeated.
Yeah.
So lyrically it wasn't too strong, but the music made it stand out. Whether it was both the guitars, the drums, or the mariachi music. For me, what made it completely unique was the mariachi feel to it. It may not have been the intention because it wasn't too pronounced or it wasn't easily recognizable that, oh, this is something that's Mexican. No, it wasn't too easily recognizable.
But it was
I
beautiful blend.
sensed the nice mariachi carnival-like vibe to the whole song.
Is the life of illusion.
Life of illusion. Yeah, what is he actually trying to get at? Any idea? He feels
talking
like he's
about-
living the life of illusion. Everything's going as if what? It's all fake. It's unreal. What is he getting at?
I don't
I'm
want
not
to,
very sure.
I don't want to get
That's what I'm
give
asking.
my two piece about it because people may think, what am I talking about? But I feel all of us live a life of illusion. Almost every single person lives a life of illusion, and that concept was defined way before the way we live was, we started living in the Eastern world on Indian subcontinent that we call Maya in Hindi. Moh Maya, the entire sansar, samsar that is popularized by Buddhist philosophy. That this entire sansar, the way you live, your culture and everything that we do on a daily basis, all of this is Maya. It's not required for a man's life, but we are made to believe that all of this is very integral part of our life. We must do it. For an example, for a poor person, what is more important is elevating their status, socio-economic status, living, surviving through the thick and thin, whatever comes their way. It's very difficult for them. Every day is a rainy day. For rich people, maintaining that status, remaining in that strata, getting bigger and bigger with their accumulation of wealth. For a student, it is all about accumulating as much as knowledge they can, and if only when they are, dedicated students. Some of them are into a lot of other things like addictions and so many more lifestyle things that comes along with it, the peer pressure and everything else. So every single person, in what position you are, in what walk of life you are, in what society you live in, your entire persona and your entire mentality, your attitude, your way of living is defined by where you are. For a fat person, it is made to believe that you must lose weight, you must do this, you must do that to look good, as whatever you can do. So there are so many things offered to them through the commercial people, and so on and on and on. There is media, there is so much exposure and so much influence of everything. So it is all of a ball of confusion, life of illusion that we all lead. Hardly anybody realizes the value of actually going within them and then realizing what exactly life is, and then looking through that spectacle in the world.
Yeah. The song didn't provide much substance.
None of it.
But your discussion definitely gives us food for thought. According to me, the whole media right now is an illusion.
And also, for some, what I appreciate about Joe Walsh and the way he created, I'm sure he didn't want to dig too deep into it, or maybe he couldn't. One of the two.
I think he was giving a more personalized
But
take on
I
it. He didn't want to give
liked
it a broad
keeping it
take.
simple. I liked keeping it simple. Sometimes, unsaid things are more powerful than being said. And that's what I liked about it. That's what
It was more personal
connected
for
with
him
me.
because he was referring to his life.
Yeah. So
But
it didn't
not in general.
sound like a preaching.
Yeah. Excuse me. Not in general. More personal.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what you have said is definitely given us food for thought. It has given us a broader perspective on this topic that he's taken up here. Living a life of illusion. Yeah, definitely many of us might be in their own way.
Not might be, I think all of us do. All of us do. Unless somebody is living a life of ascetic or something like that, you're always living a life of illusion.
That's it for this one.